Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, answering to no one but yourself, and spending your days pursuing your passions. This is the dream of financial freedom, and for many, it feels out of reach. But what if there was another way? What if you could generate income without trading your time for money? That's where passive income comes in. With passive income, you can escape the rat race and design a life you love. It's time to break free from the traditional work-for-pay model and embrace a new way of building wealth. The traditional 9-to-5 grind can be soul-crushing. You trade your precious time for a paycheck, often feeling stuck in a rut. Passive income offers an alternative, a way to break free from the shackles of a traditional job and take control of your financial future. Imagine this. Your money is working for you, even while you sleep. Instead of trading time for money, you're building assets that generate income on autopilot. No more commuting in rush hour traffic, dealing with office politics, or feeling trapped in a job you hate. Passive income empowers you to design your ideal lifestyle. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term wealth and achieving financial independence. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have multiple streams of income flowing in. Even if one stream slows down, you have others to rely on. Passive income is your ticket to freedom. Most people are familiar with the traditional way of earning a living trading time for money. But what if I told you there's another way? A way to earn money even when you're not actively working. That's the essence of passive income. Passive income is about generating money that doesn't directly correlate with the hours you put in. It's about building assets that work for you, generating income even while you sleep, travel, or pursue other interests. You put in the initial effort to plant the seed, water it, and nurture its growth. But once the tree is mature, it bears fruit without requiring constant attention. Section 2, Active versus Passive Income, Understanding the Difference. Let's be clear, active income isn't inherently bad. It's how most of us get started, paying the bills and keeping a roof over our heads. But relying solely on active income can be limiting. Your earning potential is capped by the number of hours you can work. Passive income, on the other hand, offers scalability and leverage. Once you've built a passive income stream, it has the potential to generate income far beyond what you could earn trading your time. This means more freedom, flexibility, and financial security. Section 3. The allure of passive income, time, freedom, and beyond. The benefits of passive income extend far beyond just financial gain. It's about reclaiming your most valuable asset, your time. When you're not tethered to a 9-to-5 job, you have the freedom to design your ideal lifestyle. It's about achieving financial independence and having the resources to live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Section 4. Busting the myths passive income doesn't mean do nothing. Now, before you envision yourself lounging on a beach with money magically appearing in your account, let's address a common misconception. Passive income doesn't mean get rich quick or do nothing. It still requires an initial investment of time, effort, and often some capital. The key difference is that with passive income, you're building something that continues to generate revenue even when you're not actively working on it. It's about creating systems and assets that work for you, freeing up your time and energy in the long run. Now that you understand the power and potential of passive income, let's explore the diverse landscape of opportunities that await. From the stock market to the digital world, and even tangible assets like real estate, there's a passive income stream out there for everyone, regardless of your interests or expertise. The key is to identify an avenue that aligns with your strengths and passions. Do you enjoy researching companies and analyzing market trends? Investing in dividend-paying stocks might be your calling. Are you a creative soul with valuable knowledge to share? Creating and selling digital products could be your path to financial freedom. Remember, the beauty of passive income lies in its diversity. Investing in the stock market might seem intimidating at first, but it's one of the most accessible and powerful ways to generate passive income. And no, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. One popular approach for beginners is dividend investing. Think of dividends as a thank you payment from companies to their shareholders. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of that company and sharing in its profits. These dividend payments are typically distributed quarterly, providing a steady stream of passive income that can grow over time. The key to successful dividend investing lies in research and diversification. Look for established companies with a solid track record of paying dividends consistently. In today's digital age, the opportunities to monetize your knowledge and creativity are endless. Whether you're an expert in a particular field, a skilled writer, or a passionate educator, there's a digital product out there waiting to be created and shared with the world. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability. Once you've created a product, it can be sold infinitely online without requiring your constant attention. Plus, with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Teachable, setting up an online store and selling your digital creations has never been easier. Real estate has long been regarded as a reliable avenue for building wealth, and for a good reason. Investing in rental properties offers the potential for both passive income and long-term appreciation. While it requires more upfront capital and hands-on management than some other passive income streams, the rewards can be substantial. Imagine owning a property that generates monthly rental income, covering your mortgage payments and putting money in your pocket. As you pay down your mortgage, your equity grows, building wealth over time. Plus, real estate tends to appreciate in value over the long term, providing an additional avenue for wealth creation. Remember, real estate investing is a long-term game, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a lucrative path to passive income and financial freedom. You've explored the diverse avenues of passive income and learned about the exciting possibilities that await. Now it's time to translate that knowledge into action and take the first steps towards building your own passive income streams. Start by identifying your strengths, passions, and available resources. Are you drawn to the stock market, the digital world, or the tangible nature of real estate? Once you've chosen a direction, it's time to educate yourself. Read books, take online courses, and learn from experts in your chosen field. Knowledge is power, and the more you understand your chosen passive income stream, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the challenges and maximize your returns. Don't be afraid to start small. Ready to dip your toes into the stock market and start building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks? The good news is that opening a brokerage account is easier than ever. Numerous online platforms offer commission-free trading, making investing accessible to everyone. Once you've chosen a brokerage, it's time to start researching companies. Look for established businesses with a history of consistent dividend payments and a solid track record of profitability. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different sectors to mitigate risk. Don't chase after high-yield stocks blindly. High dividends can sometimes be a red flag, indicating a company in distress. Focus on companies with a sustainable dividend payout ratio, meaning they're earning enough profit to cover their dividend payments comfortably. Section 3. Crafting your digital empire, from idea to income-generating product. The beauty of the digital age lies in its low barrier to entry. You don't need a fancy office or a team of employees to create and sell digital products. All you need is an idea, a computer, and the willingness to put in the work. Start by identifying a niche market with a specific need or problem you can solve. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a high-quality digital product that provides real value to your audience. Promote your product through social media, content marketing, and email lists, building a loyal following and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Section 4. Navigating the rental market. Finding and managing your first property. Investing in rental properties can be a rewarding path to passive income, but it's essential to approach it strategically. Start by researching the local real estate market. Look for areas with strong rental demand, low vacancy rates, and a history of property value appreciation. Consider factors like proximity to schools, parks, public transportation, and other amenities that appeal to renters. Once you've identified a promising area, it's time to start looking for properties. Work with a reputable real estate agent who understands your investment goals and can help you find properties that meet your criteria. When evaluating properties, consider factors like the age and condition of the building, the potential for rental income, and the estimated expenses associated with owning and maintaining the property. Section 1. Avoiding pitfalls. Navigating the passive income landscape with prudence. Embarking on your passive income journey is exciting, but it's crucial to proceed with a healthy dose of caution. The allure of easy money can be tempting, leading some to make impulsive decisions or fall prey to scams. Remember, passive income still requires effort, strategy, and a long-term perspective. One common pitfall is falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Beware of opportunities that promise unrealistic returns with little to no effort. Thoroughly research any opportunity before investing your time or money. Look for red flags like exaggerated claims, lack of transparency, and pressure to make quick decisions. Diversification is the cornerstone of a resilient passive income strategy. Just as you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't rely on a single source of income, no matter how promising it may seem. Think of diversification as building a financial safety net. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and income streams, you create a more stable and predictable financial future. Imagine you've invested solely in rental properties, and suddenly, the real estate market takes a downturn. This could significantly impact your cash flow. However, if you've diversified your income to include dividends from stocks, royalties from digital products, and perhaps even interest from peer-to-peer lending, you're less vulnerable to fluctuations in any single market. Diversification doesn't need to be complicated. Start by exploring different passive income avenues that align with your interests and risk tolerance. Gradually allocate your resources across these streams, building a balanced portfolio that can weather market storms and generate consistent income over time. The world of passive income is constantly evolving. New opportunities emerge, markets shift, and technologies advance. To thrive in this dynamic landscape, you must embrace continuous learning and adaptation. Stay informed about industry trends, emerging technologies, and changes in market conditions. Read books, attend webinars, follow industry blogs, and engage with other passive income enthusiasts. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to identify opportunities, mitigate risks, and optimize your strategies for long-term success. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your approach as needed. What works today might not work tomorrow, so be prepared to adapt your strategies based on your experiences, market feedback, and the ever-changing landscape of passive income opportunities. Remember, building passive income streams is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning and growing along the way. As we've explored throughout this journey, the path to passive income is paved with opportunity, flexibility, and the potential for lasting financial freedom. It's about taking control of your financial future and designing a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. Remember, you don't need a windfall of cash or a business degree to get started. The most important step is simply taking that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Start by investing a small amount in dividend-paying stocks, carving out an hour each day to work on your digital product, or researching rental properties in your desired neighborhood. Every journey begins with a single step, and the path to passive income is no different. The key is consistency. Just like a small snowball rolling downhill, your efforts will compound over time, gaining momentum and eventually transforming into a force to be reckoned with. Imagine a life where you're not bound by the constraints of a 9-to-5 job, where your income grows even while you sleep, and where you have the freedom to pursue your passions without financial worry. This is the promise of passive income, the ability to design a life of purpose, meaning, and financial security. It's about breaking free from the limitations of trading time for money and embracing a new paradigm of wealth creation, one where your money works for you instead of the other way around. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and creating a future filled with possibilities. So, what are you waiting for? The tools, resources, and knowledge are at your fingertips. Embrace the power of passive income, unlock your full potential, and start designing the life you've always dreamed of. The journey begins today.